Hi students, today I'm going to talk about the chapter fractions, and within the chapter fractions I'm going to talk about a very important concept called equal fraction. But before that, let me ask you a very simple question. Tell me which is bigger, 3 by 4 is bigger or 1 by 4 is bigger? Definitely, since the denominator is same, higher the numerator, higher the fraction, bigger the fraction. So 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Similarly, 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. If the denominator is same, it is very easy to find out which fraction is greater. But now tell me, is 1 by 2 bigger or 2 by 4 bigger? 2 by 4 bigger or 4 by 8 bigger? Or 8 by 16 bigger? Is 4 by 8 bigger or 8 by 16 bigger? Or let me take one more. Is 50 by 100 bigger or 8 by 16 bigger? Now this is going to be a bit tough because the denominator is not same. I just told you if the denominator is same, higher the numerator, higher the fraction. But here the denominator is different, so it's very difficult to find out. But let's understand the meaning of half in the picture. This, assuming this is a pizza, so if I tell you that you will get half, which means you will eat one part out of the total two. So this becomes 1 by 2. You eat this part of the pizza out of the two parts. In the next, I say eat two. If I make four parts of the same pizza, eat two out of it. So then I'm going to eat two parts of the pizza out of four. Has this changed from this to this? No, I eat the same amount of pizza. Now let me make it more division. It says out of eight parts, eat four parts. So I have already made 8 parts. I am going to eat 4 parts, right? All these 4 parts I'm going to eat out of 8. Has the slice of the pizza changed? It has not changed, which means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is equal to 8 by 16, and 8 by 16 is equal to 50 upon 100. Let me give another example. Supposing there are two questions in the exam and you get one correct, you get the score 1 by 2. There are four questions and you get only two correct, it is 2 by 4. Similarly, there are 16 questions and you get 8 correct, again, you are only half correct. You are only half correct. You are only half correct. And similarly, if you are scoring 50 upon 100, you are only half correct. We also call this 50%. This is also 50%. This is also 50%. Hence, all these fractions are equal fractions. Now, let me give you the maths side of it. How do we find out the equal fraction? Supposing the fraction is 1 by 2, right? Now we have to find out what are the equivalent fraction. Now, if I multiply with a similar number in the numerator and the number in the denominator, I get an equal fraction. For example, if I multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, I get 2 upon 4. If I multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, I get 4 upon 8. Similarly, in this half, I can multiply 8 in the numerator and 8 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator, I get 8 upon 16. Hence, half is equal to 8 by 60. So now you know that if I have to find out the equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Will the number change? No. If I have to do the division, I can cancel 2. So by multiplying numerator with the same number and denominator with the same number, I get the equivalent fraction. Now, can I convert half into 50 upon 100? Yes, I'll multiply 50 in the numerator, 50 in the denominator, and so I get 50 upon 100. Now let me give you the reverse side of it. Supposing the number is 50 upon 100. Now, if I can multiply with the same number in the numerator denominator, I can also divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. So let me divide the numerator by 5 and let me divide the denominator also by 5. Will this change anything? No, because I'm doing in both numerator and denominator. So this will become 10 upon 20. Now 10 upon 20, again, let me divide by 5. In the numerator, 5 in the denominator, I get 2 upon 4. If further I divide 2 by 4 by 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator, I get 1 by 2. So hence, this 50 upon 100 is also equal to 1 by 2. I can straight divide this in the numerator by 50 and the denominator by 50, and I will straight get the answer 1 by 2. So that is how we calculate the equal fraction. And this is very, very important for you to know that all these are equal fractions. This is a very important concept. This is where a lot of doubt is, but I hope you like the video. See you in the next one.